Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of ureteric stenosis at ureterovesical junction, also called ureterovesical junction obstruction. A ureteral stricture is a narrowing of ureter that causes an obstruction in the flow of urine. This narrowing causes an obstruction in the flow of urine. It can also be caused by kidney stones, upper urinary tract inflammation, or a tumor. This patient is a child of about 10 years, male child, and he has urinary obstruction due the urinary retention is visible, and now there is gross dilatation of the pelvic calcareous system of left kidney, while the right kidney looks echo-mecho-normal. There is unilateral dilatation of the pelvic calcareous system on left side, and the left ureter is also dilated, while the right kidney and ureter were echo-mecho-normal. You will see later on in this video the right kidney is echo-mecho-normal. Now you can see the tracing of the left ureter. Ureterovesical junction obstruction refers to blockage of this area. The obstruction impedes the flow of urine down to the bladder, causing the urine to back up into and dilate the ureters and the kidneys. That is megaureter and hydronephrosis. Ureterovesical junction obstruction refers to blockage of the ureter at the ureterovesical junction. Now you can see this is the left ureter. Now you can see the distended urinary bladder, and the urinary retention is so severe that the urinary bladder extends upwards into the abdominal cavity above the umbilicus. Because benign prostatic hypertrophy is so common in older men, obstruction is more common among men. Other common causes of obstruction include strictures, that is narrowing caused by scar tissue of the ureter or urethra that develop after radiation therapy, surgery, or procedures done on the urinary tract. A ureterovesical junction obstruction is a blockage to this area where the ureter meets the urinary bladder. You can see the ureter is dilated and the whole length of the ureter is traced. No stone is visible, and now you can see there is narrowing of the ureter, blockage of the ureter at ureterovesical junction. A significant amount of thick sludge is seen in the urinary bladder. Ureterovesical junction obstruction is the result of an anatomical or functional abnormality in the distal segment of the ureter. Now the ureterovesical junction is located where the ureters are the tube that drains urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder, and where these ureters meet the bladder, it is called ureterovesical junction. Stones that block the ureter or any of the kidney's draining tube may cause symptoms that include severe intermittent pain in the upper flank, the back, under the lower ribs, that can radiate to the lower abdomen, and nausea and vomiting may cause nausea and vomiting. Now this is the stenosis of the ureter at ureterovesical junction. Treatment for urethral stricture may include surgical implantation of a stent to open the narrowed section of the ureter, or minimally invasive robotic surgery to reconstruct urinary tract. The goal is to fix the stricture permanently and avoid the long-term use of stents whenever possible. Again, you can see the urinary bladder, no stone is seen, and the cause of the urinary retention is infection in the urinary bladder. Now the ureteral obstruction is a blockage in one or both of the tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Ureteral obstruction can be curable, however, if it is not treated, symptoms may quickly move from mild pain, fever, and infection to severe loss of kidney function, sepsis. Ureteral obstruction is fairly common because it is treatable. Severe complications are rare. Now you can see the right kidney and it looks echo-mecho-normal, no hydronephrosis, no hydroureter is visible. While comparatively the left kidney shows moderate to severe hydronephrosis, dilatation of the pelvical serous system, and the hydroureter. Ureteral obstruction might have no sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms depend on the site of the obstruction, whether it is partial or complete, how quickly it develops, and whether it is unilateral or bilateral. Now, sign and symptoms of the obstruction may include pain, changes in the amount of urine produced, difficulty in urinating, blood in urine, repeated urinary tract infections, high blood pressure, hypertension. Now the causes may include duplication of ureter, an abnormality where the ureter connects to the bladder, ureterocele, retroperitoneal fibrosis. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.